Hi everybody. So today I had to replace this because the replacement part that I got broke down inside. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a Chinese part that I put in a year ago, and as you can see, it's broken right there. See the crack? So it's broken. So there was force. Now I took this apart and let me get a tool to show you. So what I notice is that this right here was bent. And as you can see, it should go up and down. But in here, this was bent out. So therefore, this couldn't slide. Now I've seen a lot of videos where they have taken out the lock mechanism, but I just got this out, and you have to be careful because it's not that strong a metal, but you want this to go up and down, and mine was bent this way, so it couldn't move at all. So now I've straightened it because it's a big job to take the door out, or the lock mechanism on the door. So we're going to give this a shot and see if that works. Hopefully.